In this video, I'll tell you how you can remove or disconnect a Microsoft account from your Windows laptop or PC. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings, open Accounts, then go to your info. If your Microsoft account is currently connected to Windows, you should see an option that lets you switch to a local account instead. Use that option if you want to stop using the Microsoft account on this device and use a local Windows account. If you are not signed in with a Microsoft account, this section may instead show an option to sign into a Microsoft account, so do not worry if your screen looks a little different. After switching to a local account, you can still return to a Microsoft account later from the same accounts section. Just remember that if you want to sign in again in the future, you will need your Microsoft account login details. That's pretty much the whole process. If you only want to separate your laptop or PC from your Microsoft account, switching to a local account is usually the cleanest and easiest way to do it. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.